Ang ganda, no? Alam mo bang walang down payment and walang equity ang unit na to? At ready for occupancy na din siya. So as early as 2 to 4 months, malilipatan mo na siya. Hi! Are you currently renting or looking for a house and lot na magandang tirhan or magandang gawing investment? You may want to consider Pagsibol Village located in San Isidro, Magalang, Pampanga. Ang ganda po ng location niya dahil along Mabalacat Magalang Road siya. Malapit po siya sa Clark Gate in Mabalacat. Ang Mabalacat and Magalang po ay ang mataas na part ng Pampanga, so no need to worry of flooding. Hindi po siya binabaha. It's a duplex premier model. Duplex model is a 2-unit na magkadikit na may extra lot sa magkabilang side. Or dalawang end unit na magkadikit. With lot area of 54 square meter and the floor area of 45.5 square meter. Finish na din ang turnover niya with 1 bathroom, 1 carport, and provision for 2 bedrooms. The total contract price is 1,750,000. Napaka-affordable na po nito compared to other duplex unit. Nasa 11,400 lang siya monthly. So imagine, no down payment, no equity, and as early as 2 to 4 months, malilipatan mo na agad siya. Finish na ang kanyang turnover with 1 carport pa. So direct message mo na ako para matulungan kitang makalipat na kaagad.